The 1000W folding electric bike with a 48V 20AH large removable battery is a remarkable fusion of power, portability, and practicality, making it an excellent choice for urban commuters and adventure seekers alike. This bike stands out not only for its impressive specifications but also for its thoughtful design and user-friendly features. At the heart of this folding electric bike is a robust 1000W motor, providing ample power to tackle steep inclines and ride at exhilarating speeds. The ability to reach over 30 miles per hour is a game-changer for those who need to get to their destination quickly. Whether you're rushing to work or exploring new trails, the bike's speed capabilities will not disappoint. The bike feels incredibly stable even at high speeds, thanks to its solid frame and quality construction, ensuring a safe riding experience. One of the standout features of this electric bike is its large 48V 20AH removable battery. This innovative design allows for convenient charging. You can easily take the battery indoors to charge without the hassle of bringing the entire bike. The impressive battery capacity grants a range of 30 to 50 miles on a single charge, depending on the rider's weight, terrain, and riding mode used. This makes the bike suitable for both short commutes and longer excursions without the constant worry of running out of power. Plus, the battery's longevity ensures that you won't have to replace it frequently, saving you money in the long run. The folding mechanism of the bike is another highlight, making it exceptionally portable. The bike can be folded down in a matter of seconds, allowing you to easily store it in small spaces, whether it's at home, in the office, or in your car for weekend adventures. This feature is particularly beneficial for urban dwellers who may not have the luxury of ample storage space. Weighing in at approximately 66 pounds, it's not the lightest e-bike on the market, but the trade-off for sturdiness and performance is worth it. Comfort is a crucial factor in any bike, and the 1000W folding electric bike does not disappoint. The adjustable seat is well padded, providing comfort during long rides, and the handlebars are designed to offer a relaxed riding position. The bike is also equipped with a front suspension system that absorbs shocks from bumps and rough terrain, contributing to an overall smooth ride. Additionally, the 20-inch tires provide excellent traction and stability, enhancing the riding experience, whether you're on city streets or more rugged trails. When it comes to safety, this electric bike is equipped with front and rear disc brakes, which deliver reliable stopping power. The brakes respond promptly, giving you confidence when navigating through traffic or descending steep hills. The bright LED lights enhance visibility during low-light conditions, ensuring that you're seen by others on the road. This attention to safety is a key consideration for anyone choosing a bike for daily use. The bike comes with several riding modes, including electric mode, pedal assist, and traditional bike mode. This versatility allows riders to choose how much effort they want to exert. The pedal assist feature is particularly useful for those who want to enjoy a workout without overly straining themselves. Riders can easily switch between modes with a simple push of a button on the handlebar display, which also shows essential information such as speed, distance traveled, and battery life. One potential drawback is that the assembly may require some technical know-how, as the bike arrives partially assembled. While the instructions are clear, those unfamiliar with bike mechanics may find it a bit challenging. Additionally, the bike's weight may be a concern for some, especially when lifting it over curbs or into storage. In summary, the 1000W folding electric bike, with its powerful motor, impressive battery range, and thoughtful design, offers exceptional value for anyone in the market for a reliable e-bike. Whether commuting through busy city streets or embarking on weekend adventures, this bike delivers a thrilling ride along with comfort and safety. Its portability makes it an excellent choice for urban living, while its robust performance caters to more